Stop guessing where the price is going. Today, I'm showing you how to identify the exact moment a market consolidation ends and a massive trend begins. We are combining the sleeping giant, the alligator, with the precision of Fractal Chaos to catch clean, high-probability breakouts. Hello traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. If you love clean charts and price action, this video is definitely for you. Today, we are breaking down a powerful 2-minute pocket option strategy I call the Fractal Chaos Breakout. This setup is designed to filter out market noise and keep you safe from choppy markets. Before we dive into the setup, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our daily profitable setups. Now, let's jump into the charts. Before we adjust our settings, please remember that trading involves risk. This strategy is for educational purposes only, so never trade money you can't afford to lose. Now, let's get our chart ready. Simplicity is key here. First, go ahead and set your candle time to 30 seconds. Next, set your trade expiration time to 2 minutes. This 2-minute window gives the trade enough time to breathe and play out after the breakout occurs. For our indicators, go to your Tools menu and select the Alligator. Keep it on the default settings. This will act as our primary trend detector. Next, add the Fractal Chaos indicator. We will keep this on default settings as well. These little markers are going to be our entry triggers. Here is the logic behind the strategy, and it's very simple. The alligator tells us the market direction. When the lines are tangled up, the alligator is sleeping. That means we do not trade. However, when the lines spread apart and open up, the alligator is eating, and that confirms we have a strong trend. The Fractal Chaos acts like a wall. We aren't guessing where the price will go. We are simply waiting for the price to smash through that wall. Now let's look at the strict rules for a sell trade. We need a specific sequence to happen. First, check the trend again. The alligator lines must be opening downward, with the green line below the red and the red below the blue. For the entry, wait for a price candle to break and close below the most recent lower Fractal Chaos line. Once you see that confirmed close below the line, you open a 2-minute lower trade. Now, for a buy trade, we look for the exact opposite scenario. First, check the trend. Make sure the alligator lines are opening upward, meaning the green line is above the red and the red is above the blue. Once you see that, watch the price closely. You must wait for a price candle to break and close above the most recent upper Fractal Chaos line. As soon as you see that candle close above the line, open a 2-minute higher trade immediately. Before you start trading this, please remember the golden rule. No strategy wins 100% of the time, not even this one. To stay in the game, never risk more than 1% to 3% of your total balance on a single trade. If the market is choppy and you take 2 losses in a row, close the chart and come back tomorrow. Your goal is to grow your account slowly, not to gamble it all away in one session. To help you remember these rules, I've actually created a free step-by-step checklist PDF in my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description below. But wait, there is one hidden trap you need to know about. Sometimes the price breaks out and then immediately hits a major support or resistance level. If you don't check for this, you will lose the trade. I'm going to show you live trades right now so you can see exactly how I filter out the bad setups. Let's look at the charts. Let's put this into practice with a live trade example. I want you to focus purely on the chart setup right here. On the left, the market was consolidating and the alligator lines were twisted together. That is our no trade zone. But look closely at the center. The alligator wakes up. The green line crosses above the red, and the lines begin to fan out. Crucially, we waited for this specific breakout candle. Do you see how it pushed up and closed solidly above that upper Fractal Chaos line? That confirmed close was my signal, so I immediately entered a 2-minute buy trade. Now, let's watch the trade develop. This is the moment where patience pays off. Notice how the alligator lines are spreading wider and wider apart? In trading terms, we say the gator is eating. Because we waited for a confirmed breakout rather than guessing, the momentum is completely on our side. The price isn't struggling or chopping around. It is respecting the new trend we identified. This smooth upward movement is exactly what we want to see after a fractal break. And here is the final result, just 2 minutes later. The price absolutely skyrocketed, ending significantly higher than our entry point. This is what we call a deep in the money win. Now let's find another perfect trade setup. Now let's flip the script and look at a perfect sell trade setup. I want you to look at how the market shifted here. Initially, the price was ranging, but then we got that clear signal we always look for. The alligator line started opening downward, with the green line crossing below the red. But we didn't jump in too early. We waited for this specific red candle to forcefully break and close below the lower Fractal Chaos line. That confirmed close was the green light, or in this case, the red light, telling us the support was broken. So I immediately entered a 2-minute lower trade. As the trade progresses, watch the power of the trend. This is what we call a waterfall move. The alligator's mouth is opening wide, which tells us the selling pressure is intense and the trend is healthy. Notice how the candles are staying well below the alligator lines? This is exactly why we use this indicator. It keeps us on the right side of the momentum. There is no guesswork here, just pure price action respecting the rules of the strategy. And here is the final result, and this is the most important part to watch. Look at that massive green candle right at the very end. The buyers tried to push the price back up with huge force. Because our entry was perfect, right at the breakout point, we had enough distance to survive that sudden reversal. If we had entered late or chased the price, that last green candle would have caused a loss. This proves that timing is everything. Now, I am going to do something that most trading channels will never do. I am going to show you a losing trade. I want you to look closely at this setup. I got excited because I saw that massive red candle breaking down, so I entered a sell trade. But I made a critical mistake. I ignored the alligator. Look at the lines before that big candle. Do you see how they are twisted and overlapping? The alligator was sleeping, and I tried to force a trade in a flat market. As the trade progresses, you can see the consequence of entering too early. Because the alligator lines weren't fanned out, there was no real trend direction to push the price down. Instead of a smooth waterfall drop, the market is fighting back. We see green candles immediately pushing back up against my entry. This is exactly what happens when you chase a big candle without waiting for the alligator to wake up and confirm the direction first. And here is the result: a loss. The price retraced all the way back up, and the trade closed at 0. But this loss is valuable because it proves the strategy works. The strategy says, if the alligator is sleeping, do not trade. I broke that rule, and the market punished me. So, take this as a lesson. No matter how big the breakout candle is, if the alligator lines are tangled, you sit on your hands and wait. Discipline is what protects your account. So there you have it, the full breakdown of the Fractal Chaos breakout. Today we covered the reality of trading. You saw a clean, deep ITM win where the trend was perfect. You saw a tricky trade where a precise entry saved us from a last-second reversal. And most importantly, you saw the loss that happened because I ignored the sleeping alligator. That last loss is actually your biggest lesson for today. This strategy is powerful, but it only works if you have the discipline to wait for the perfect setup. If the gator is sleeping, you must be sleeping too. If you found value in this honest breakdown, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the video reach more traders like you. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a profitable setup. Also, don't forget to check the link in the description to join my free Telegram channel. I've uploaded a PDF checklist of these exact rules so you can keep it open on your screen while you trade. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Do you prefer trading breakouts like we did today, or do you prefer reversals? Let me know in the comments, and I might build my next strategy video based on your answer. This is Sam, wishing you clear trends, disciplined trading, and green candles. I'll see you in the next video.